What's the meaning of beryl? Beryl. Beryl.
Beryl. Beryl. Beryl is a mineral that belongs to the silicate family. It's typically found in pegmatites, which are igneous rocks that form from magma that cools slowly and creates large crystals. The most common colors of beryl are green, blue, yellow, and pink. Some of the most famous varieties of beryl include emerald, aquamarine, and morganite. Beryl has been used for thousands of years in jewelry making, as well as in industrial applications such as electronics and nuclear reactors. In addition to its aesthetic and practical uses, beryl is also valued by some cultures for its healing properties, such as promoting courage and emotional balance.